Knife defense and knife disarming are things that anyone who is honest will tell you are really hard to make work in the real world. If someone really wants to stab you with a knife, your chances of not being stabbed or not being cut are really slim. This is the reality of knife defense. So it may beg you to question why we even bother training it. Well, the answer isn't simple. There are many reasons why I train knife defense. One of them is that if you don't train, you have even less of a chance of surviving a committed knife attack. And if you do train, you might find yourself in a position where you may be able to use your skills to defend or disarm the knife. Now, the reality is, knife defense is not really about successfully taking the knife away or overcoming your opponent without getting cut. The reality is, you're likely trying to minimize damage and possibly get control of that weapon. But it's not easy. And when you see us put pressure on, you can see how hard it is to do that without taking wounds. When attacked aggressively with the sewing machine stab to the stomach, a very simple technique, you will find that some of the stabs will get through your defense and find the target. This could be catastrophic with a real knife. And this is the reality of knife defense. And even when you get that limb against a committed attacker, the chaos is just starting. He's not just going to let you have that limb. He's going to tear it away from your hands and continue aggression and continue causing damage. This is what the reality is. And then on top of this, add the factor of the idea that most knife attacks will come from an ambush. And you'll see that this is a very difficult thing to defend. And things like being able to hit hard, being aware of your surroundings, being assertive about your boundaries, and acting on what information you get and what you see happening around you is probably way more important for knife defense than this kind of stuff here. But it's better to have a small chance than no chance, so we keep training this.